The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air holds a timeless appeal that has captivated car enthusiasts and collectors for decades. Here are some key aspects that contribute to its enduring charm. Iconic design. The 1957 Bel Air design is one of the most recognizable and celebrated in automotive history. It features a distinctive silhouette with tailfins, chrome accents, and a wide, bold grille that epitomize the optimism and style of the 1950s. The two-tone paint schemes and extensive use of chrome trim highlight its classic aesthetic, making it a symbol of the era's design ethos. Performance and innovation. The 57 Bel Air was not just about looks. It also offered impressive performance for its time. It was available with several engine options, including the powerful 283 cubic inch V8 engine, which could be equipped with fuel injection, a cutting-edge technology at the time. This made it one of the first American cars to offer such an advanced feature, significantly boosting its performance and appeal. Cultural significance. The Bel Air holds a special place in American culture. It represents the post-war boom and the burgeoning car culture of the 1950s. The car was featured in numerous movies, TV shows, and songs, cementing its status as a cultural icon. Its association with the era of drive-in theaters, rock and roll, and the burgeoning middle class gives it a nostalgic value that transcends generations. Collectability and community. The 1957 Bel Air is highly sought after by collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Its iconic status and limited availability make it a prized possession, often fetching high prices at auctions. There are vibrant communities and clubs dedicated to preserving and celebrating this classic car, with events and shows that keep its legacy alive. Timeless aesthetic. Even today, the 1957 Bel Air's design continues to influence modern car designs and remains a favorite at car shows. Its timeless beauty and classic lines are appreciated by both older generations who remember it from their youth and younger enthusiasts who admire its retro charm and historical significance. In conclusion, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air's timeless appeal lies in its iconic design, innovative features, cultural significance, and the passionate community that surrounds it. Its ability to evoke nostalgia while maintaining a strong presence in the classic car market ensures that it will remain a beloved classic for years to come. Rev up your support for CarSwagger. Subscribe to stay in the fast lane for the latest car reviews, exciting adventures, and expert insights. Hit that like button if you're a true car enthusiast. Drop a comment with your favorite car model or what you'd love to see next. Don't forget to share the horsepower. Spread the word by sharing this video with your fellow gearheads. Join the CarSwagger community and let's drive into the future together.